Now I am going to teach today evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi e power I theta d theta. So the answers are four. We have a four options. Option A 2 pi I, option B 2 pi, option C I, option D 4 pi. Now we are going to crack this question. So let us directly, it is not possible. Let us go for substitution. The substitution is e power I theta is equal to z. Differentiate on both sides. So the definition of e power I theta is e power I theta, and I theta can be written as I into d theta is equal to dz. So again e power I theta can be written as z. So Iz into d theta is equal to dz. Now we want to write, or we want to calculate d theta, so that Iz can be written as Iz, this side goes to division, dz by Iz. So now we replace the integrand e power z, and d theta can be written as e power z by Iz. And what about limits? So here theta is varies from, it is belongs to theta. Theta is varies from 0 to 2 pi. That means circle. So here theta is varies from 0 to 2 pi. Now I am going to a complex analysis. So theta is represented as here circle. Now in complex theory, the circle can be written as z minus a is equal to r. Mod of z minus a is equal to r. Here a is nothing but center and r is nothing but radius. So it is converted to mod z is equal to 1. Mod z is equal to 1. The circle can be converted as mod z is equal to 1. So this is called C maps mod z is equal to 1. Now we are going to draw the circle. Center is 0. This is minus 1. I am drawing complex plane. This is plus 1, plus I, minus I. So the center is 0. This is nothing but C maps mod z is equal to 1. This is y axis, imaginary axis. This is x axis. This is called z plane. Now we can go for substitution. Integral theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi e power I theta d theta is equal to, so I can write this can be converted as mod z is equal to 1, and e power z d theta can be written as dz by Iz. So we can find out this one with the help of Cauchy integral formula. Before we are going to apply the Cauchy integral formula, so let us verify singular points are inside the circle or outside the circle. So I can rewrite this one 1 by I into integral mod z over 1, mod z is equal to 1, e power z by z dz. So here the singular point is z can be written as z minus 0. Therefore z is equal to 0 is the singular point, and also it is inside the circle mod z is equal to 1. So now we are going to apply the Cauchy integral formula. So Cauchy integral formula, we should remember this one. Cauchy's integral formula defines integral over C f of z by z minus a into dz is equal to 2 pi a into f of a. Here 2 pi into f of a. So here it, which is in the form of f of z by z minus a dz over c. So now we are going to apply this one, where f of z is equal to e power z and a is equal to 0. Now what is the value of f of a? That means f of 0. e power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore apply this formula to our original problem. So already 1 by I is existing. So this can be written as 2 pi I into f of 0. So 1 by I into 2 pi I. What is the value of f of 0? 1. So then I gets cancelled. The answer is 2 pi. So what is the answer? B is equal to 2 pi. Thank you.